When you're out with your gun, you gotta know the best way to carry it. It doesn't matter what animal you're hunting. Check out this short little clip we did for a new series we're working on that shows just how you might safely carry a firearm. Look, each carry is safe if you're alone. How we safely carry them depends on where we are in relation to each other and the dog.
If we keep walking 3 abreast and we stay in line, we're okay.
But when we're hunting, someone is eventually going to get ahead or fall behind. It happens all the time. For example, if I rush ahead after the dog, then my gun is pointed back to the other 2. And if Junior lags behind when I go after the dog, then his gun is pointed in my direction. So what's the solution?
So here's a solution. The person on the left can do a two-handed carry like this. The person in the middle can do a trail carry. And the person on the right can do a two-handed carry or a shoulder carry. All of these are good, safe options. One of the safest ways to carry your gun is in the two-handed carry, also known as the ready position, where you carry it in 2 hands with the muzzle pointed upward away from everyone. Carrying it in this way also helps you be ready for a shot. And of course, this is just a little clip in a bigger video series that we're working on through huntered.com. You'll be able to watch all these videos there. If you have some suggestions on ways to carry a firearm that we didn't mention, maybe, then I encourage you to leave those in the comment section below. Yeah, thanks for watching.